Good morning and welcome to Transwest Truck Trailer RV. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I am so excited. We are going to wrap up with our last video of the day. We are down here in Colorado Springs with the Newmar Dealer Show for 2025. And I cannot tell you, this has been such an amazing show. So many surprises, including this new interior for the Bay Star. Avon, as usual, I like to start my videos from the inside out, so please go ahead and take her on back. One of the most exciting things about this video is the fact that we have a new fascia, so new cabinetry, new colors, new finishes. This is the 3225 floor plan. As you can see, this is a king bed. This has got really nice room in the bedroom because of this full wall slide. Now keep in mind, for a gas coach, there is really nothing nicer than the Bay Star. I spent a lot of time down in San Diego over the winter, and I was really floored to see how many small gas coaches were out there in the world, but everybody who had a Newmar always had the nicest coach in the park. And this is just another great example. But in 2025, they've got this new fascia. And this floor plan, of course, has been very popular for us. The mirrored cabinets are such a great idea, giving you more room, a ton of hanging space here in the back, great drawer space as well. And one of my favorite features of this coach, of course, is the fact that you've got a place where you can sit down and put your shoes and socks on in the morning. It's very comfortable. Another great feature is that you've got your touch panels now. So instead of having KIB switches or those little black and little black toggle switches, you've got these really nice integrated KIB switches. This does not feel like an entry-level coach. This is a beautiful execution of a gas RV. And for those of you who aren't looking to have a diesel pusher, who don't need that extra, torque or that extra expense, this is a very nice Ford V8 driven coach, and it's got a ton of fantastic amenities. One of my favorite things about this coach is this rear window that you have in the back bedroom. So much viewing space. If you were parked in San Alejo in this little Bay Star, you could have ocean views for days right out of the back of your coach, waking up to that beautiful scenery. And then again, all of our panel systems now are going to be able to be paired with your phone. You've got great central control for all of the different zones of your coach. For lighting, you can also control your HVAC, and you can see this on your phone as well. You can also monitor your power. Now, this does have a 2,000 watt inverter, which is standard for 2025, which is nice. And then as you can see here, fresh gray, black, and LP all on display, not only here, but also on your phone. Now, this is a mid-bath model, and one of the best features of this coach, I love the way they've done this two-tone interior. This is so nice to have the Mesa glazed. This is the suede finish, so it's not the high gloss. It's a nice suede finish, but dark cabinetry down below, light cabinetry up top, giving you a much brighter feeling bathroom. And keep in mind, I love the fact that we have all of these square showers now. There's so much room in this shower for you. If you've got littles that you've got to get cleaned up, this is the coach for you. This has got so much room. Come in here, wash your, because your 2 and 3 year old kids need to have a shower when you're out camping, and this is enough room to actually have a little in the shower with you so you can get them cleaned up and ready for their day easily. Tons of space here in your medicine cabinet. I mean, look at all the counter space that you have down here on your counter. And so plenty of room for all of the electric toothbrushes, lots of storage here in the corner. This is the same size bathroom that I have in my Superstar, but in my Superstar, I don't have this cool new panel. Look at how they've got this KIB panel. So easy to access, so state-of-the-art looking. Tons of extra storage space here for towels, anything that you need to have for your kiddos. And then a lot of storage down here as well for like beach towels, your bath towels, everything that you're going to need. And of course, you've got this really nice Dometic potty as well. And then some more storage here. And of course, Stainless steel undermount sink with a solid surface countertop. Great feature here. Lots of storage here underneath the sink. Again, for all of the supplies that you might have on the road. And as you'll note, there's also there's a robe hook up top, and you've got this pivoting door, so you access to the bathroom when you're on the coach. Now, one of the upgraded features is going to be this Norcold 10 cubic foot refrigerator. So tons of room here. If anyone has ever gone inside of a Winnebago, Navion, or an Echo, you know, refrigerator space is going to be such a premium. This is a great amount of refrigerator space, but what's neat about this coach is it's a very similar price point to those Echo products or those Navion products, but you get so much more living space. It's incredible. And pantry space. Look at how much pantry space this coach has. I mean, it's awesome. It goes all the way back off to the left. Tons of room for all the snacks. And then on top of that, instead of not making use of your space, they give you this extra cabinet. And this is such a nice place to be able to keep all of your glassware, coffee cups, cereal boxes, everything that you could possibly want, mac and cheese. Just super awesome. And these are adjustable shelves too, so you can go ahead and change that space to what you need. Instead of having it be stationary, it's actually adjustable. Now, of course, the pop-up television is a great way to relax in the evening, but put down during the day so you can take advantage of those beautiful views out of your windows. Great windows here. Also, a really nice buffet dining table. But one of the things that's so cool about this is it has a little break right here. So if I do extend this table and take out my extra chairs, oh, it looks like somebody already spilled the ice. Hopefully that doesn't melt and make a big mess. Ha ha ha. But anyway, so this is just a really nice area if you've got company and you want to be able to be comfortable while you're out on the road having, you know, your family out for dinner. You've got tons of room here. Another great feature that's carried over, we have this little table which sits between these two fantastic chairs. I've got a ton of clients that have small dogs or cats that love this gas coach for the dash. They can bask in the sun while you're going down the road. As you can see here, also you've got a really nice, very clear, very large monitor for your rear view camera and your side cameras, as well as wireless charging docks on both the driver and passenger side. You also have the equalizer leveling jack system, and you can open this screen window on either side so you can get the fresh air coming through the coach. So, as I mentioned earlier, I never expected that we would have so many new features for 2025 at this show. And to be very honest with you, I did not expect that we would see a new Bay Star interior, but I love the new fascia. I love the new color options, the new standard plank flooring. So this vinyl flooring is, of course, very durable, great for beachy areas, great for sandy areas. So this is going to be a fantastic coach. Now let's go ahead and take a look outside as well. Of course, this Bay Star boasts a lot of storage on the inside, but it also has a ton of room on the outside on top of it. So let's just take a quick look at this. Now, of course, this is a full paint finish. There is no decal on this coach. So this is going to have a nice, long-lasting look to it. It's going to look sharp for a really long time. And let's go ahead and look underneath here. So lots and lots of storage. Now, one of the things I think is so important for those of you that are consumers, when you're looking at a coach like this, you need to have a place to put your barbecue. You need to have a place to put your paddle boards, your skateboards, but you also need to have a decent generator. So this is a 5.5 kilowatt quiet gas generator by Cummins, and it's more than ample, which is great. We used to have on the Bay Star Sport a 4 kilowatt generator, so very nice to have the 5.5 kilowatt generator. And as I mentioned, we're making use of all of the storage areas underneath here, so you can very easily fit, you know, anything that you have, all the sand toys, all the stuff you bring for your kids, underneath this coach here. And this is a 32-foot floor plan, which means it's going to have great park access. So all of those places that have a 35-foot coach requirement, you're going to be able to get into those like lesser expensive places. But I mean, look at that. I mean, plenty of room there for your barbecue, plenty of room under this coach. And this is really where the Bay Star comes in and just takes out that Navion or that, you know, Winnebago segment. And I sell a lot of Navions, I sell a lot of Winnebagos, but very candidly, one of the things that you're lacking in those coaches is storage. So it's so nice to see so much storage out here, because when we're out on the road, we have a lot of stuff that we're taking with us when we go camping. Now here's your black and gray water tank area. So very nice sewage bay, as you can see, very easy to access your fresh and your black water. Everything is super simple. Hose attaches right here underneath, goes through the grommet underneath here. And then as you can see, more storage once again. And then also this coach has six 6-volt batteries. So very cool battery pack, 2000 amp inverter, extra windshield wipers. So like I said, you guys, we've been here at this dealer show since the beginning of the week, and all of us, I think, came in here with very different expectation than what was delivered. Newmar has really upped the quality of all of their products. They've made things even better than they've ever been before. New two-tone cabinetry throughout the entire product line is just so exciting for us. And then here, look at that huge propane tank. So lots and lots of great things to talk about. As you can see, your equalizer jacks are down here for your leveling system. So comfortable in the campground, easy to sleep, and you know, get a good night's rest so you're ready to go out and do all of those fun things wherever it happens to be that you are in the United States enjoying our great parks. Again, my name is Katie O'Neill. I'm coming to you live from Transwest Truck Trailer RV. Please feel free, reach out to me. Let me know what questions you have about our fantastic Bay Star or any of our other Newmar products. Transwest is a full line dealership. We carry from the Bay Star all the way through to the King Air. And man, oh man, we've got some nice inventory. So please let us know how we can get you out on the road and camping. Thanks so much for tuning in.